Good morning. Today I will be reviewing. Good morning. Today I will show you the Remington HC4250 Shortcut Pro Self Haircut Kit, Beard Trimmer, Hair Clippers for Men. This is the one that comes with 13 pieces and that retails for $60, depending on when you get it, off of Amazon, but you can also get it at local retailers. So here it is. I opted for the next day delivery, and if you notice on Amazon, a lot of clipping products, hair cutting and beard grooming products come immediately. That's probably because they have more of an inventory selection available ready to be shipped from Amazon. So here it is. Here's the package. Open it up. The reason I'm getting this is because the one that I used to have before was from the company Wahl, W-A-H-L, the one with the assorted colors, the one where the clippers are blue and white. And although it lasted me for about 4 years, it finally started making a lot of noise and the gears weren't shifting as quickly as I liked them to. And eventually it fell and it made a hole in the side, exposing it to the mechanism, and it broke. So here it is. It comes in a container like. Okay, so inside the box you will get the Remington HC4250 clippers. Here it is. I like to show how the product looks. Here's the back. Right there. You can use it without a cord. It has a battery that's supposed to last 40 minutes, but you can also use an AC adapter that also comes with it, with a cord that's about 4.5 to 5 feet, I would say. Here it is. So you can use it while you're shaving in the bathroom or leave it wherever in the house you have an AC adapter. Wherever you have an outlet, you can plug it in. That's how it looks. Two-pronged. Here's how this end looks. Okay. And it also comes with attachments. So it says that it comes with 13 attachments wrapped up in plastic, which I already unpacked. Here it is. It has a wide array of different sizes, lengths for your type of hair. It's another. It promises 13. How much is that? 3. Here we have some bigger ones right there. Here's some more. It retails for about $60. If you get it locally, it might be a little bit more. But as you see, it comes with a whole bunch of attachments, which is good when you're grooming your beard, your mustache, your hair, up and down below. It's pretty neat. I wouldn't leave this down for a long period of time. It's something that's very portable, and it's something that someone might want to take. It's kind of an attractive looking clipper. And here I turned it on by pressing this button here. And as you see, it comes with a little bit of a charge. As I said before, it has a 40-minute charge, but you can also plug it in if that charge runs out. It also comes with this Remington carrying case where you can pack up and go and charge your friends for haircuts or their grooming needs. Let's see how everything looks when it's packed up. Here it is. You want to take it on the road, take it on a trip. Use the drawstring. And it also comes with a little cleanup brush that you can use to wipe off the hairs off the blades as well as your face. So there it is. And that has been the Remington HC4250 haircutting kit from Amazon, but you can also get it locally. If you like this channel, if it has been helpful to you, please have some kind of engagement in the comment section, as well as subscribe, share, tell your friends, and tell me what you think about this product if you have it. The reason I bought this product is because I had the wall kit before, the colorful one that comes with all the colorful attachments that I had for about 4 years. After some time and wear and tear, the gear started shifting a little differently. I noticed that it wasn't cutting as much as I would like it to cut. I also noticed that a lot of noise was coming from the machine. Once I would turn it on, it would grate. A loud grating sound would come from the machine, as well as I dropped it, and it made a hole in the side, and it started exposing the mechanism to me. So I didn't want to get electrocuted. That was the final straw. I said, let me just get another one and take better care of it. This one has a carrying kit. It's a little smaller. I don't think it's waterproof, and that's fine. I don't usually shave in the bath or the shower. What else can I say about it? The size of this makes it portable, and the fact that it doesn't have to be connected for me to use it, it's a big plus. I can take it with me. I don't have to worry about if the place I'm going to has an outlet, because it has 40 minutes of charge. That's more than enough time to groom yourself. And it just looks very stylish. It's very sleek. And if you're someone who cuts hair professional, you might even find this interesting. It gets great reviews on Amazon. About 80% of people enjoy this product or would recommend this product. And of course, there's hardly any product that has 100% positive reviews. But if you're just into everyday grooming, portability, and want to do it yourself, here it is. The Remington 4250 HC model from Amazon. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.